show me the worksheet. Limits. You are in MYP 5, right? I mean IB MYP. That's how the grade. The class or age-wise distribution are there. So MYP 5. You are in IB board, right? You are in IB board. IB. So we got the segregation between MYPs. Like for me, like uh, there are IP MYP 1. We call them grade 6. Do you know grade 6, class 6? What is okay? So this is class 6. Then 2 is class 7. MYP 3 is class 8. MYP 4 is class 9. And MYP 5 is class 10. This is the year where you have to give the exam conducted by IBO during May or June time. Uh, yeah, so you have that in May, so you are in YP 5 in grade 10. I hope you're preparing for it. And calculus limits are not there in that topic, I can assure you at least that thing. So I hope you're preparing for that exam because IBMYP contains having number system, numbers and algebra, and trigonometry, geometry, and statistics and probability. These are the calcul. Yeah, and this is what you have to keep learning these things, right? Because it's not like you read and things are done. These questions are, always changing according to the situations. And it can be tougher, it can be trickier, it can be lengthier. So we don't know about situations, we don't know about future questions. So you keep practicing on it. Limits, calculus, differentiation, integration. These things are purely higher grade maths. Limits in very simple word. Let me just give you an idea. In very simple words, limits. In very simple word is just a kind of advanced substitution. Why I use this word substitution? In fact, I use advanced substitution. You know substitution? What we do in substitution? So, for example, if A is equal to 2, find A squared minus 5A. Tell me, what do you do here? Yes. What is the result coming out? Okay. So what you do here? Like what is this process called? Substitution, right? You substitute the value of A here. You say A square is 2 square. 5 times 2. The result is 5 times negative 10, which gives you negative 6. Limits are very, I'll not call it very close to it, but we often do the same thing in the limit also. What is the difference there? When I say limit, when I say limit, we don't give the direct value. Like here I am giving a direct value. A is equal to 2. I am saying that the value of A is equal to 2. This only not happens in limit. Limit don't just give you direct confirmation. It will going to say the same question, limit A tends to 2. How do I read? Read as limit A tends A tends to 2. It's not equal to. You can see the word here. You can just see the difference in the wording. It's read as A tends to 2. What it means? What it means? It means that A is very, very, very closer to value 2. What it means? A is very, very, very closer to value 2. Are you getting this? It's not exactly 2. Instead of 8, it's very, very, very closer to 2. Again, what it? Yeah, exactly. You can say that. Exactly. So, what would be the value? I mean, it could be like 1.9999999. Keep writing it. 9. See, isn't it very closer to 2? 1.9999999. Or also you can say 2.00000000000000000 somewhere 1. Isn't it very close to again 2? So this is what the limit states. This is what the limits say. It is not going to say you this value is directly equal to. Right. Instead of that, it will going to say limit. And this is how do you understand? Whenever you heard this word limit, that the first thing comes to your mind is it's not directly equal to. It's not directly. It is just very close. Right? It's just very close. So when I'm saying limit A tends to 2, the same question, find A square minus 5A, I'll do the same thing. I will do the same thing. I'll substitute 2 here, so I'll do 2 square minus 5A. 2 square times 5 times 2, and I'll do 4 minus 10. So